Ukraine's navy has initiated the formation of a specialized brigade due to an increasing number of kamikaze boats. This decision supports claims about the serial production of kamikaze unmanned surface vehicles, USV, for maritime warfare. On the 32nd Independence Day of Ukraine, President Zelensky honored military units, including the 385th Special Purpose USV Brigade. This historical move marks the first time a brigade for kamikaze boats has been established within Ukraine's navy. It underscores the importance of kamikaze boats in Ukraine's naval strategy. Recent successful attacks, like the one on the Ivan Kurs reconnaissance ship, showcase the prowess of Ukrainian USVs in the Black Sea. The establishment of this brigade lends credibility to Kyrylo Budanov's statement about the regular production of these weapons. The deployment of kamikaze drones and boats is a collaborative effort between various defense sectors of Ukraine. The Magura V5 kamikaze boat is a significant addition, but Ukraine has already deployed 4 other types of kamikaze boats. Another addition, the Sea Baby drone, brings the tally to 6 distinct types of USVs in Ukraine's arsenal. There's an intriguing debate on how these 6 diverse USVs will be managed and maintained within a single brigade. Details regarding their operational differences or similarities remain undisclosed. The increasing reliance on USVs represents a shift in modern naval warfare strategies. The establishment of such a brigade showcases Ukraine's commitment to leveraging advanced warfare technologies. Questions about the potential challenges of managing diverse USVs in one brigade still await public disclosure. That's it for today. To keep up to date with the latest on AI developments, don't forget to subscribe.